Good morning. Friday, April 4th, first Friday of the month. Slow week for me. Only traded yesterday, first day of the month, first day of the week. Took two full R losses. I was a bit cautious of one of my main watches yesterday because the SPY had gapped down quite a bit, and it just made me a little bit more cautious on my play ICCT. As you can see, this gap down here. But it ended up working. Again, the SPY is gapping down. It's pretty ugly out here, I'm not going to lie. We're getting close to these August lows. I mean, that's just a scary looking chart. You know, the word uncertainty is floating around as always in the market, especially with these tariffs. There's a lot of scared, it's a scared environment, I would say. So it's definitely something to be cautious of. With that being said, I want to go over my watch list. AREB on watch for a first green day reversal. Similar to the play I missed on ICCT yesterday, except this only had 1 day of run. BIAF is still on watch, as it was on watch for a reversal, but it could not quite get going. So we have this on watch for a first green day. I did take a loss on this yesterday. RSLS, I also played this, but I ended up breaking even on it. It is on watch for a first green day also. I have a couple of other tickers just on watch. So let's see what those are. We got APVO. I'm just keeping tabs on for a potential breakout down the future if that was possible. It doesn't quite fit the first green day reversal criteria. Same setup. Just doesn't fit the criteria fully for what I look for in it for that play. So as it's kind of holding up, just keeping it on watch in case it wants to set up for a breakout next week or down the road. SPWH, kind of the same thing. Just on watch for a breakout as it's kind of just holding up here. This actually, no, this is still not reversal criteria, but it is the similar play that we are looking for in the first green day reversal. It is just not meeting the criteria for it to be that play. But that is what we have on watch this morning. As I said, be careful out there. We don't even have any 100% gappers at the moment. It is only 8:15, but a little bit of a sign that the market is kind of, you know, in a space that we need to be cautious of. I did take two full-size losses yesterday, 2 R losses. So I am currently red on the week. It are my only trades, but we'll see if the opportunity presents itself today, and we will take it. If not, we will sit on our hands. Stay safe out there. Peace.